Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Respected ladies and gentlemen, honorable committee members, and all participants whom I respect, thank you for the opportunity given to me to present my research paper today. My name is Neng Mesa, and I represent the Faculty of Economic and Business of Indonesia, majoring in Accounting 2022. Alright, here I will present my paper, which I title The Influence of the Net Profit Margin and Company Size of Financial Distress in Banking Companies for the period 2020-2023. Okay, Indonesia is currently facing economic slowdown issue with many unexpected developments that significantly affect economic dynamic, causing vulnerability to financial crisis. This situation has driven change in important sectors contributing to the economy, including the bank sector, which play a strategic role as a driver of economic activity. Okay, and it can be seen from the graph that the financial service sector ranks 8. However, despite this ranking, the main the financial service sector still plays a very important role in Indonesia economy. Okay, various shocks can cause problem for banks. Banks management must consistently maintain and improve financial health to withstand crisis or shocks. One of which is credit performance, including working capital loans. And so in the graphs, there has been a continuous increase every year. Some companies like BCIC, BIKS, BBYB, BKSW, BVIC, and INPC show jet score value below the threshold, indicating a high potential to experience financial distress. This reflects financial instability and pressure on profitability. Conversely, companies such as Amar, Arto, BKPP, BSWD, and PNBS have high check score, indicating healthy financial position and low risks of bankruptcy, reflecting good capital and operational management. Nearly all companies have experienced a consistent decline in net profit margin over the past 4 years. For example, Bank Neo Commerce or BBYB record a very extreme negative NPM of about 40.546%. However, when compared with jet score as an indicator of distress, not all companies with low NPM fall into the distress category. Company size measured by the natural logarithm of total asset in the banking sector from 2020 to 2023 generally saw relative even values with insignificant difference. Almost all companies have experienced a consistent decline in net profit margin or NPM over the last 4 years. Some have even recorded extremely negative figures, such as Bank Neo Commerce or BBYB, which reported an NPM of negative 40.546%. However, when I compare this NPM value with the J score as indicator of financial distress, not all companies with low NPM fall into the distress category. Okay. 1. Argo company size tend to decrease, yet it does. BBYB company size increase every year, but it experienced financial distress. BBIC company size increase yearly, yet it still face financial distress, and BAKS has a relative large company size but experience financial distress. Okay, grand theory, signaling theory, and next, applied theory, three, financial distress, net profit margin, and company size. Next, population and sample. Population banking companies registered on the Indonesia Stock Exchange. Sample criteria banking companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange during the period 2020-2023. Two, banking companies that do not use the Indonesia rupiah. Three, banking companies that have recorded consecutive profit the 2020-2023 period. And then this study employs a quantitative research. The population consists of banking companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange during the period 2020-2023. The sampling method use of proportional sampling. Next, the simultaneous test results show that net profit margin or NPM and company size have a significant effect on financial distress. This means that both variables together have a significant influence on the condition of financial distress. Based on the partial test result, both NPM and company size individually also show a significant effect on financial distress. Specifically, an increase in NPM and company size tends to improve the financial condition of banks, which I reflected by a decrease risk of financial distress. This finding align with financial theory, which states that higher profitability and a large company's scale and change a company ability to withstand financial difficulties, thereby reducing the likelihood of distress. The results support the hypothesis and improving profitability and expanding company size are important factors in maintaining financial health in the banking sector. Okay, for the last, based on the analysis result, net profit margin or NPM and company size have been proven to significant affect financial distress, both simultaneous and partial. Increase in NPM and company size tend to reduce the risk of financial distress, which means that profitability and company scale are important factors in maintaining the financial health of banks. Next is support financial theory, which states that companies with high profits and large assets have better recently against financial difficulty. During the period 2020-2023, NPM and financial distress showed fluctuation from years to years. While company size tend to increase, this indicated that asset growth does not necessarily coincides with stable profitability or a healthy financial condition. Therefore, bank need to maintain consistent profitability performance so that asset growth and can have a positive impact on overall financial condition. Okay, that's all from me. I apologize if there are shortcomings. Thank you so much. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.